An increase in which of the following would least likely increase labor productivity? So in this question, we're asked to identify which of the following, if increased, would be least likely to increase labor productivity. So this keyword here is least. So option choice A says physical capital. This would definitely improve labor productivity because physical capital refers to the actual tools that the laborers use. So an increase in these tools would mean that the labor productivity would increase. So A is incorrect. B, human capital. This is also likely to increase labor productivity by a lot, because human capital refers to knowledge and experience. An increase in this means that they would definitely have greater productivity. So B is also incorrect. C, technological improvements. This is very likely to improve labor productivity because technological improvements refers to greater advanced tools that the laborers could use, and with these advanced tools they would be able to produce more. So technological improvements is not least likely to increase labor productivity. D, educational achievement. This is definitely likely to improve labor productivity because this ties in with human capital, and with greater educational achievement, that means the laborers are more educationally smart, meaning that they are able to produce more. So D is also incorrect. E, labor force. This seems to be the correct answer because this is least likely to increase labor productivity, because labor productivity refers to the amount of product that each laborer is able to produce. An increase in the amount of laborers does not increase the product that each laborer is able to produce. So E is the correct answer.